Someone had locked this cat in a carrier and put her out by the trash. There was an open can of food and a few slices of deli meat inside. We named her Seema, which means treasure in Hebrew. Maybe you've been to an animal shelter before and seen a cat or dog hiding in the back of their cage. It's easy to assume that maybe they just don't like people. But it's also possible that they loved people very much and were let down anyway.
It's okay, baby.
You can see she's hungry, but not sure if she should trust me.
Come here. It's okay.
After seeing where Seema came from, we understand why she's upset. She'll need lots of time and patience. After resting for a few days in a calm environment, Seema was feeling a bit more comfortable in her new surroundings. Most of the time, that scared animal at the shelter has a lot of love to give. They just need to feel safe. And once they do, those are the cats that end up being the most attached. While she seemed to be adjusting well, Seema wasn't eating as much as we would have liked. We were fostering Julius at this same time, so we took her with him to the vet.
She's so cute.
And after a few weeks of antibiotics and deworming meds, her appetite and energy picked back up. It was an honor to help Seema regain her trust. Some animals can find a shelter environment to be very stressful. Foster volunteers allow cats to reacclimate to a home, to be part of a family again, until it's time to find their own. She even got a new big sister.